Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download CoinMaster latest version game in your Android smartphone. So let's get started. First you need to open your Google Play Store to download this game. Click Play Store and click this search option. In the search bar type Coin Master latest version game and please click this search option. When you click it, simply ignore the first option which says animals and coins. This is only an ad. So our game is Coin Master. This is the second game. Make sure you download the original game which has 100 million plus downloads and about 90 MBs. The game has 4.6 rating which is very high. So click this install button to download this game. Once your game is start downloading, it will download it in 2 to 3 minutes depending upon your internet speed. So that was the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, you can comment in the comment box. I will answer you as soon as possible. So that was the end of this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.